If you or somebody you know is an outdoor type person that wants to just sit back and relax in the great outdoors, your options on seating arrangements at times can be pretty limited. It's either picking between the wet log on the ground or getting yourself some little footstool, which, quite frankly, isn't any better than sitting on a hard rock. And while some of us do have some lawn chairs or even old camping chairs lying around somewhere up in the attic, these days the market for camping chairs has gotten much better than it was even 10 years ago. Which is why today we're going to be going over the top 3 most popular camping chairs to get you upgraded into something much more comfortable than that cheap one you got somewhere at a discount shop in Colorado. Beginning on our list, we have the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker camp chair delivers a smooth rocking action on any surface in the outdoors, featuring padded armrests, a built-in beverage holder, and a convenient carry handle. You'll be able to have all of your seating needs met while in this fantastic chair. Folding a camp chair open and closed has never been easier or safer with the GCI Outdoor's patented Easy Fold technology, making it where the days of pinching your fingers in trying to fold up your camping chair are long gone. The Freestyle Rocker is also constructed of lightweight and sturdy powder-coated steel and supports up to 250 pounds, letting you know that you won't be falling out of the chair so easily when you plop right down into it after a hard day of cutting logs in the woods. Coming up next, we have the Suntime Sofa Chair. The Suntime chair has a wide bucket moon shape that is made in the shape of a super ergonomic design that provides a large area of seating that is made to be comfortable for people of all shapes and sizes. Make your outdoor experience more relaxing with the wicking 600D cationic fabric seat that is super soft, breathable, and thick, making it completely padded for all-around body comfort. The high-end steel-stable frame gives the seat a much more stable construction that even allows for a weight capacity up to 250 pounds. Suitable for both children and adults alike, you can sit with no stress and know that no matter what you have in your lap, you can relax and know that the chair won't break under your feet. Packed in a compact size and weighing only 12 pounds, it opens and closes in seconds while also coming with a carry bag with shoulder strap for easy transport and storage. You can take the Suntime Moon camping chair to any occasion or spot. It's perfect for the lawn, camping, fishing, sporting events, and other outdoor activities. A good companion for outdoor travel. Last and most certainly not least, we have the Timber Ridge Padded Folded Camping Chair. This high-end back foam padded cushion and seat on the Timber Ridge camping chair is by far one of the softest chairs you will find, with a fantastic headrest and strong ABS armrest that can provide a comfortable experience for your outdoor life. Its high back at 23 inches comes with a padded headrest. It offers a more comfortable sitting for all sizes. The lumbar back support of the folding chair for adults has an adjustable strap for a custom fit and maximum comfort, making it where no matter where your height or sitting position, you can fit the chair to however you feel best and still get maximum comfort through and through. Made of durable polyester material and special aluminum frame design with a maximum load of 300 pounds, this sturdy, structured chair is very suitable for any outdoor activities or recreational leisure. The Timber Ridge camp chair folds flat for convenient storage and transport, making it where you can take it camping, to the beach, sports games, or that outdoor barbecue. The portable folded lawn chair weighs only 8.6 pounds, is light, and folds easily for the perfect seat anywhere. Plus, there's no assembly required as the Timber Ridge Zero Camp chair is designed for easy transportation and storage while featuring a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. So there you have it, folks. Those are our top 3 picks for the most popular camping chairs. Which one would you love to take with you on your next outdoor adventure? Are there any camping chairs that we missed which you think should have been on our list? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up if you like what we do. Plus, subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and content just like this. Not to mention that if you do want to grab yourself any of the products that we covered in today's video, you can check them out down in the description below if you want to pick them up. If you want to check out more amazing product reviews by us, then click on one of these videos here to learn more.